All right, so bought myself a couple acres. Just got our house put in. Getting ready for a shop. Started building my chicken coop. Definitely missed those farm fresh eggs. But did a 5x6 chicken coop. Still working, finishing it up. Got a bunch of clearing to do. Not gonna be fun, especially in the southern humid heat. Figure out a location for a raised garden bed. Just had all that cleared out. Gotta clear out all the marked trees on my own. It's gonna be fun doing a burn pile here. It's a start. Forgot to add, built the chicken coop. Starting our chicks. Soon enough. Got the kennel in the box. Get there. Just to show you how hot it gets out here. That's just from sitting in the truck. Even though it's Father's Day, I'm gonna try and finish up the siding for our chicken coop. Start on this. I gotta clear all this out. Finish this, add a roof. Nesting boxes. Here we go. Almost there. Let me tell you, best second pair, third pair of hands right here when you're working on it alone. Little progress. Got the lid made for the nesting box. Got to side the nesting box. Not 100% done, but siding's on. Be ordering the 12 by 18 windows tonight. Go there and there. Then I gotta trim it out and get a roof. All right, starting off Saturday morning. Gotta dig the pin out. We're gonna be caulking all the cracks and nail heads. I'm gonna paint the inside. Trying to find some shade. Well, make some shade. Trying to flatten the ground out a little bit. No, it doesn't have to be precise, but found an old whiskey bottle. The original, I guess it's the Tennessee Walker whiskey bottle. Pretty cool.